In this video, I'll show you exactly how to refund a game on Steam. First, open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings. Go to the Account tab and click Account Details. You can also access this by clicking your profile name in the top right corner and selecting Account Details. Next, click View Purchase History, which is located next to your Steam wallet balance. Find and select the game you want to refund. On the game's support page, choose I would like a refund. Then click I'd like to request a refund. Steam will display the game you're refunding, the refund amount, and where the refund will be sent. In many cases, you can choose a different refund method if one is available. Now, select the reason for your refund from the drop-down menu. A common choice is it's not fun, but you should pick the option that best matches your situation. You can also add extra details in the notes box, such as explaining that the game didn't meet your expectations or wasn't what you anticipated. Once everything is filled out, click Submit Request. To qualify for a Steam refund, you generally need to have owned the game for less than 14 days and played it for less than 2 hours. That's it. Your refund request has now been submitted. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Steam tutorials.